how can you enable sleep tracking on the Apple Watch? So let's talk about it. Before we get started, most definitely make sure that you are subscribed to this channel and you're not going to miss anything important in the future. Well, first of all, your Apple Watch needs to be worn on your wrist during the entire night. So make sure you have enough battery before you go to sleep, because you just don't want your Apple Watch to run out of battery during the tracking, right? But essentially, the best way you can do is to turn on the sleep focus mode when you go to bed. So you can just click on the side button to activate the control center, tap on the focus mode by clicking on the moon icon for the focus mode, right? And just select the sleep. Now, obviously, once you have the Apple Watch on your wrist, then it knows that it's supposed to track you. It does it throughout the night, and in the morning you're gonna check out the sleep app on your Apple Watch to see the data, but also on your health app on the iPhone you'll be able to see all of your sleep related data, like your time asleep, the different phases, the breathe rate, and all of the other things which are associated with it, right? So that's kind of how it works. You can also set up a sleep schedule inside of the health app on the iPhone, right? It will automatically enable and disable the sleep focus as well to help you track your sleep. But the point is that even if you technically don't do it and just wear your Apple Watch on your wrist like that, it will detect the lack of movement, the slowed heart rate and everything, and it will just automatically start tracking your sleep, because, that's how it works. So it doesn't really it's not really that difficult. You just need to make sure, as I said, that it has enough battery, that you wear it tightly on your wrist, and the focus mode is definitely going to help you a lot. But that's it from me. Let me know what you think about that below in the comments. Thanks a lot for watching. Subscribe for more, and I'll talk to you later in the next videos.